Hello. Now we're going to begin step 3. So we've created our score. We're going to add a balloon that spawns more balloons. So you might be thinking, what is that? Well, have no fear, we're about to learn all about it. So click on the grey part of the screen here, go sprite. And now let's think of a different color. Let's go yellow. Okay, I'm going to do a triangle-ish balloon. I'll make this 100. I'll just do a balloon like that. There's a balloon. So it doesn't need to be amazing. Alright, that's really important to remember. We're just developing the game right now. We can change the graphics much later on. There is my balloon. So we're going to call that balloon 3. Of course you can do a better job than me. I'm not saying you have to do a terrible job. All I'm saying is that you can don't need to worry so much about graphics. Here we are going to behavior, typing in bullet again, and there we go, we've got our bullet. So let's test this out. So this yellow one's moving, awesome. So let's go spawn. This one's going to be a bit more challenging. So we're going to go random every 3 to 4 seconds. So every 3 to 4 seconds, balloon 3 will spawn, which is pretty cool. Next step is we're going to do untouched object destroy. So just going to click in the corner here like we did before near the green arrow, Control C and then Control V. Alright, then we're going to right click, make sure it's all highlighted, replace object to balloon 3. Now let's see what happens here. So nothing spawned. That's a bit boring, isn't it? So we need to change this up a little bit. Whoa, can't even hit some of these balloons. So we're going to go back to layout 1, clicking on your balloon here, and we're going to add image points. So what are image points? Essentially, image points just let the program know different coordinates, different places you want to be marked, and we're going to mark them so that they can be spawned and it will look kind of random. So just click on this plus 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and notice that I'm spreading them out. I'm not putting them all too close together. I don't want them to be close together. That's really important. So you can see 1 is up the top, 2 is in the middle, 3 is at the bottom, 4 is kind of close together, but doesn't matter. And then we're going to go back to event sheet 1. Once we do this, we're going to click here, and then we're going to go balloon 3, spawn another object. This is where we're going to spawn to balloon 2. So click on balloon 2. An image point. See what we just created. All right, those important marks. We're going to type in random 1, 2, 4, like that. We're just going to do it again, and it won't work right now because we're destroying the image first. So we got to push this back down. Now let's test it out. Whoa! Look at that. Much harder. So excellent work. So our game is starting to look proper like a game, which is really exciting to see. There we go. Oh, see that bomb was hiding underneath? So excellent work. So let's continue. We're going to do one more thing today, and that is adding health. So we've got this one which spawns balloons. Now we're going to add another one that detects balloons. And if any balloons do get past here, that you lose health, and so that in the future you won't restart the layout when you hit the bomb. You'll restart the layout when you lose your health. So let's click on sprite. Now I just want you guys to know that even though we are making a game like this, you can make any kind of game you want, any way you want it to be. All right, it's unlimited what this can do. In terms of 2D at least. We're going to make it orange. There we go. So here's a nice orange color, and we're going to call it balloon detect. Balloon detector. Oh, can't spell detector. I think that's it. Okay, so here we go. The balloons are going to go this way, and then once they hit that balloon detector, we're going to destroy the balloon, and then we're going to take health off. So we've got to add another variable. All right, a variable, remember, is a container. So right click here, add global variable, and type in health. So now we go add event, balloon detector on collision with another object. Oh, sorry, no, we'll go back. We'll go to balloon 1, spawn on collision with another object, balloon detector. We're going to first of all start not with 0 health, but with 100 health. All right, and once you've lost 100 health, you know, game over. So on collision with balloon detector, we're going to first of all destroy the balloon, and then we're going to subtract. Oh, go back to system, sorry. Subtract from health 5. So we're going to take 5 health away. Now let's test this game out again. Remember to save your work all the time. So nothing's happening right now. We don't have a few elements, and we've got to remember to do this. And that's why test your game out as much as possible. It's the only subject where you'll probably be told to play games heaps. Alright, so now we're going to find text again. Not text box, but text. Put it right in this corner here. We're going to call it health. Now we're going to find this one here, score, where we set text to score. We're going to do that for health. So just click on that, action, replace object to health. Wow, that was so cool, really fast. Now let's see what happens. It's not working. See, this is why we forgot to change it to health. So make sure you change it to health, and then let's try that out again. So it's hit 100, and now it's just gone down to 95. So it's definitely working. This is definitely an exciting game. So I'm going to let you to figure out what we need to do next. Now, if you're not too sure what to do next, it will be in the next video. But essentially, all you need to do is you need to make the balloon 2 and balloon 3 also be detected, and you can add your own health for this as well. Alright, see you guys.